Hi, today's DIY project is installing an APEC under sink reverse osmosis drinking water filter system. Up until now, we have been taking our drinking water from the tap and filtering it with a Brita water pitcher. Recently, we installed a water softener and now find the water not to taste so good. Looks like when the builder installed the soft water loop, they did not bypass the kitchen cold water. So now the solution is to install a reverse osmosis water filter system. Both Amazon and Home Depot sells this system. The one at Amazon comes with a chrome faucet, while the one from Home Depot comes with a brushed nickel faucet. In order to match our existing faucet, which is brushed nickel, I bought the system from Home Depot. Let's start by unboxing. I guess now it's time to read the manual. Now under the sink with everything removed, if we go look in the back, we can see we have 3 shutoff valves. I've labeled them hot, cold, and ice. Ice being the line going to the fridge. Due to this extra line, as we do want to have the filtered water going to the fridge and to the pure water output faucet, I think I'll need an extra T that will have one end, the 3/8 line going to the ice maker and the other line going to the faucet. Now it's time to drill the hole for the faucet. We've marked it so it's symmetrical with the soap dispenser. Using a diamond bit, we're going to drill the 1/2-inch hole for the faucet. Here is the finished hole. Wasn't too bad with the diamond bits. It's the piece that came out. Now getting ready for the install. Here I've laid out all the parts that came with the unit. Now because we have a water line going to the fridge, I needed to get a couple of extra parts, so I won't be using these parts that came with the kit. I went online at Amazon and ordered a T where it has 2 1/4-inch push connections and 1 3/8 threaded connection. I only need 1, but it came in a package of 2. And then another one of these 3/8 to 1 1/4-inch push connector that I'll be using to split the line coming out of the reverse osmosis to go to the water drinking tap and the fridge. I went ahead and just labeled the 3 first filters, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. These, I put the part number of the filters to them, use the same filter number. Sure to take the plastic off of them. And 2 and 3 use the same filter type. first step is to connect them to this unit. It is labeled stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Just tighten it with the supply wrench. The other two filters are already installed. From the diagram, you've got 3 connections. A, so we'll take out the plug. You have G at the top. You just press down here to release and pull. And then H over here. Next, I'll install the faucet just so that the line is available when I do the installation under the sink. I have to go underneath to install the lock washer and this plastic washer. Faucet is installed. This is probably the hardest part as there's not much room at the bottom to tighten the nut, but it's nicely secured now. One other prepped item is to put this shut-off valve on the storage tank. After much aggravation trying to get parts, I had bought this off on Amazon, which I thought was going to be perfect. Push connect for the 1/4" tubing and 3/8 for the line going to the ice maker, but I discovered that this thread is not a compression type of 3/8 thread. So this will have to be sent back, and then this valve I thought it would work also, again 3/8, but not the right 3/8 thread. So then, using the pieces that were supplied with the Osmosis, it would have had a male and a female with this piece. So I did go to Ace Hardware and buy this piece, just so I can have male to male on each side, and then I'll have the tube. And then for the other part, couldn't find anything like this with the right thread, so just going with 2 pieces. The T, which were all 1/4" tubing, but then take a small piece of tubing, and this adapter to go from tubing to the 3/8 compression thread. So with this, I'm hoping the install can begin. And now for the install under the sink. We'll start by turning off the cold water, and I'll just turn off the valve to the ice maker. Next, I'm going to remove the T. Okay, so the T has been removed. Now we have the cold water and the regular faucet here. Next, replacing that T now with the T valve. So this will allow the cold water to go directly to the main faucet and then have a little valve to go to the reverse osmosis. We have the connection of the cold water through the T to the main faucet and then tapped with a little shut-off valve for the reverse osmosis. Next, I'm going to connect the T to the line that's going to the ice maker. Next, I need to drill a 1/4-inch hole in the drain pipe. Over the hole, have to apply the sponge gasket. Next is the fittings for the compressed drain line. Use a screwdriver so I can align the hole for this drain saddle. The bolts. Before going any further, let's just check for any leaks. I'll turn the water on. This valve is shut. Everything looks good, no leaks, that's good. Now we can start connecting the lines. So we'll start with the reverse osmosis line, which is this one coming from the faucet above, connecting to this T. So I'll just cut it about here. Compression fitting. There we go. Connect that one up. Next, we'll connect the line that will go to the filter. Next, we'll install the filter portion. The output of the filter is right here, so we'll connect that one up. Right here to the filter. Next, we'll connect the red line, which is the feed from the cold water coming from that valve. Next is the yellow line, which is the line that goes from the filter to the tank. I think before that, I need to do the black line, which goes to the drain. Next, we connect the yellow line to the tank ball valve. Looks like that's the last connection. I'll open the valve on the tank, and then the valve for the water to the filter. You can hear the water flowing. No leaks anywhere. So I guess it's ready to go. Here's the completed installation under the sink. Here are the two faucets above the counter. The main faucet not going through the RO, therefore not filtered. And then the small faucet for drinking, which is filtered through the RO. Also, as mentioned, we do have the line going from the reverse osmosis to the fridge. Therefore, we have filtered water at the fridge as well as to the ice maker. This concludes this video of the installation of the RO system. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hope to see you again soon.